This is the looping connection to your water softener. So your water softener goes here. You got a shut-off valve here, and you got a shut-off valve here. Now we got the input of the cold water here. Now this would go right into the water softener. But if you decide you're gonna work on the water softener, you shut it off here and you open it over here. Now this has to remain closed while you're using the water softener. You open this and you close this when you're working on the water softener or you need to remove it. This will allow water to the entire house without interrupting anything inside. This is the output of the water softener. So soft or hard water, either way, depending on what you select here. To eliminate the water here, you already closed this valve here. Now you keep this open. You want the hard water flowing this way while we're working on the water softener. And that's because I left this connection down here because of the way my plumbing is set up. I want this to go straight to the kitchen and bathroom. Now once I'm ready, I can go ahead and open this. Once everything's nicely fixed and installed, open it up, shut this off. That stays open because of the way I have my setup. And there it is. That's the setup for your water softener.